Electric cars are more practical, cheaper to run, and quieter than other vehicles. With the rising price of fuel, we're seeing a huge shift into the electric vehicle space. I'm a super tech nerd and love doing my own research before I buy. Plus, I'm a massive fan of sustainability and modern-day tech. So I've done the research on the top 5 electric cars now and upcoming in 2023. At 5 Things, we do the heavy lifting, so you can purchase going in knowing all the details. Starting with number 5. Chevrolet Bolt. This vehicle stands out as a highly efficient EV with a 120 mpge. If you're unsure what this means and what is the most efficient, have a look at this video here. The cost of charging is on par with a Tesla and is significantly less expensive than vehicles with comparable stats. Chevy Safety Assist includes automatic emergency braking, lane maintenance assist, and distance indication for the car in front. The car also offers front pedestrian braking and forward collision detection. And what I think is really cool are auto lights that adapt to traffic conditions as a standard feature. That is a significant amount of value for the cost of the regular model. The battery range and other important driver data are displayed on the 8-inch graphic display located behind the steering wheel. Another screen, a built-in tablet, is located above the radio and links wirelessly to CarPlay, Apple, and Android Auto so you can stay entertained and connected. The 2023 Bolt is less expensive and has a far longer driving range than the equivalent Nissan Leaf. The price range is $25,600 and up at the time of recording this video, and the estimated charging cost per year is $550. Wow, that's 3 weeks of gas for me now. When the back seats are folded down, it offers a cargo capacity of 56.6 cubic feet as opposed to the Leaf's 30 cubic feet. Pretty interesting. Some of the pros. Pros. The installation of a Level 2 home charging plug is free. The My Chevrolet mobile app notifies you when to recharge. Wireless Android Auto, Alexa built-in, and Apple CarPlay. Chevy Safety Assist is included with the base model. Cons. The car has only 200 horsepower, which is pretty average. The audio system's 6 speakers are not as powerful as the next few vehicles we're about to mention. Number 4. Hyundai KONA Electric. For the family, the KONA is a powerful all-electric SUV with a focus on comfort and safety being the company's mission. The car's base package includes a push-button start, an 8-inch color touchscreen for the music, and mounted audio and cruise controls. The Hyundai electric automobile comes at a price point of $34,000 with the same charging cost as the Chevy being $550 PA. The 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster is one of the KONA's class-exclusive features. The Chevy Bolt EUV doesn't have it. Blind spot, rear traffic collision avoidance are class-exclusive safety features. With a pedestrian detection feature, the vehicle can also prevent head-on crashes. A cool addition is that it also keeps track of your driving habits to identify fatigued or distracted driving. Pros. The car has a touchscreen display of 8 inches. You can get a wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for your phone. The steering wheel houses the controls for the audio and digital systems. Upgrade to the Hyundai Digital Key to be able to operate your vehicle using a smartphone. Cons. It lacks some of the other options on this list's power and acceleration capabilities. The Convenience Bundle package requires an extra $3,500 upgrade. Number 3. Tesla Model 3. The name is enough to put the car on top of the most popular electric vehicles, the Tesla Model 3. It blends innovation and usability at a higher price range of $59,490. Unlike how cars often lose value over time, used Tesla pricing indicates the reverse. An appreciating car? Shut up and take my money. Auto Park and Lane Change are 2 of the car's cutting-edge capabilities included in the $12,000 update for full self-driving capability, with an estimated $500 charge per year. Although pricey, it's a wise investment with some fun extras. Check out these James Bond-style keycards, which can be from your phone, a fob, or a keycard like a credit card that's sleek black and fits neatly in your wallet. No longer forget your keys. You can use your unique keycard to access all your Teslas, regardless of the model number, if you own more than one. The keycard can be deleted from the vehicle and a replacement ordered for $25 if lost. The Tesla includes a walk-away mode that automatically recognizes when you walk away and locks the car. Let's say you forget to tap your card to lock the car. If you leave the windows open, the vehicle will lock and close them for you. This car is for you if you're busy and have a lot on your mind. Simply do the David Craig and walk away from the troubles in your mind. Pros. The key card or the app to unlock. Enough said on that. Cool. The glove box acts as a safe which only opens with the pin you specify. The car offers 2 wireless power outlets. Tesla Model 3 has back seats with heaters, especially the middle one. Cons. The car is expensive when compared to alternative cars and Tesla models. Early delivery is anticipated in 6 months. The back windows only partially open. Who doesn't want a Tesla? But wait, there's more to our list. Keep on watching till the end to know the most expensive electric car. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz EQS. For most of us, the wait is over with the Mercedes-Benz EQS. The EQS is the best luxury electric car of 2022 thanks to its sexy interior elegance, spacious and quiet cabin, and breathtaking drive characteristics. There are 4 EQS models to choose from: the base EQS 350, the EQS 450 Plus with greater power and a bigger dashboard, the EQS 580 4MATIC, and the sport-tuned AMG EQS 53 4MATIC Plus. With 2 electric motors, all-wheel drive, a 422-mile range, and, excitingly, the potential to self-pilot on simpler routes such as the highway, the Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 Plus delivers on all fronts. Additionally, it has a stunning 3-screen dashboard that provides an excellent in-cabin entertainment experience. According to statistics, the AMG EQS 53 4MATIC Plus can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 100 kph in 3.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 137 miles per hour or 220 kph. Starting prices for the 2022 Mercedes EQS 450 Plus are $102,310, and those for the 2022 Mercedes EQS 450 4MATIC are $110,000. By 2030, Mercedes-Benz anticipates that more than 50% of its vehicles will be plug-in hybrids or entirely electric. Pros: the car is ultra-quiet and gives a solid feel. Unbelievable steering powers. Luxurious inside. Cons: this form's rear seat is not nearly as spacious as the one in the S-Class, and the front trunk does not open. Number 1. Lucid Air. This car is exceptionally powerful in range and horsepower, which is why it earned the prestigious 2022 Motor Trend's Car of the Year award. It takes 20 minutes to charge the automobile up to 300 miles, and you can travel up to 520 miles on a single charge. The automobile has a glass canopy roof option and is constructed with environmentally friendly components. Its incredible 1,111 horsepower maximum power is twice as much as the Polestar 2 and the Tesla Model 3. The 2.5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time is the ideal match for that maximum power. I was impressed with the Polestar 2's dashboard display, but the Lucid Air elevates it with a 34-inch 5K glass cockpit display, a 21-speaker dreamlike sound system, and Alexa voice controls. The luxury price range for this line of electric automobiles is the sole drawback. The cheapest choice, the Lucid Air Pure, costs $87,400, while the most expensive, the Lucid Air Dream Edition, starts at a staggering $169,000. Pros: the car gives an unmatched range of up to 520 miles per charge. You can charge the car for 300 kilometers in just 20 minutes. It features a unique design that stands out from other vehicles on the road. Cons: more expensive than other cars. It shows delay in the responsiveness of the screen. Perhaps not all drivers need so much power. There we go, guys. What do you think should have made the list? Comment your thoughts below. We hope this information from 5 Things will make your buying decisions easier. Until then, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Also, click the bell icon to know when we next upload a video.